Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today, I got something in the mail. Guess what it is? It is my favorite brand of air filters. Amazon sent me this. Ooh, Iron Man stuff. Holidays toy list. Yeah, I need them. And that, I don't know why, but this is the one. Well, this is my favorite brand of air filters. The reason being, I can use it as a factory air filter replacement. I don't have to go to a cold air setup, and it will give me pretty good performance because check my video in the description why cold air intake is actually bad for you. So going this setup, I get away from the cold air intake, but the most restricting feature on any intake is that filter, or whatever filter you have. Now once you have a high flow filter, you can save yourself the money and the issue with anything that comes with the cold air intake setup and move on. The box is a little bit bigger than what it should be. Alright, I'll show you how to change the air filter in your Hyundai Santafe. It should be very similar if you have a Kia Sorento or any of the other Hyundais or Kias. Actually, my Kia Optima had a different system. This is a little different. This is one of the easiest systems to do. It's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is basically unhook this too, move it a little up, and this flap comes off. Once this flap comes off, it's super easy to just pull it out. As you can see, has seen better days. It was about time to get a new air filter. It's not that clogged up, but there are a lot of debris in there. So, comes the old, here goes the new. Just checking it's the right size. Yeah, just gonna drop it in. Just lift this a little. Okay, drop it in just like that. That goes over. Ta-da! Yeah, it's that easy. And the reason I like keeping the factory system is, if you can see, this does have a cold air intake. Comes straight from there. It's pretty straightforward. Goes to the box and then goes to your turbo. Like, there's no need to have a cold filter or anything in there. The moment you take this system off, you're just sucking in hot air from the inside the engine bay. Over here, you have a factory cold air. Just drop the high flow filter and you're good to go. If you have a turbo vehicle, it's very important to keep your air filter clean. Now, I'm not going to throw it out. I'm actually going to save it, because every 20 to 30,000 kilometers, I usually take the K&N filter out and use the K&N product to wash it and put some oil back on it and put it back. The process usually takes about a day or so, because the filters needs to dry up after you wash. So in the meantime, let's plug the factory filter in and keep driving it for a day. If you are new to this channel, I make small car repair videos and buying guides and all sorts of stuff. As you're looking at it, I have an S55 AMG that I work on all the time. It breaks and whatnot. It's a bad idea to daily drive it, but my wife's gonna do it anyway. I'm working on another 300ZX, and that's my parts car. That's what I do.